Wo Kahani was developed during an incubation workshop at California, and we were supposed to provide different ideas that how we will be coming back to Pakistan and incorporate different themes. For example, gender equality that I picked as my project.
Since this topic is a very sensitive topic and it's a major topic to be discussed in today's society, so for this the best audience to be discussed is a youth. So being a youth, I felt that I should join this program. We came up with a theme that was family planning, and we actually thought that there were many taboos associated with that particular theme. So since we were divided in groups, so we came up with a video, and in that video we explained about all the methods about family planning and what is family planning. The outcomes that we got from this project was that the taboos cannot just be broken through textbooks or through lectures, through presentation, but it can be broken through using social media platforms.
There were two major bifurcation of these projects in terms of activities. One was developing these storybooks and implementing with the children, and the other was a leadership program. Since this topic is something very different and has no educational programs in the country, so we really need to develop people who would be able to cater all these population like children, parents and teachers. We have so far achieved development of these leaders who will be engaging all these populations.
So we started this program with an introductory sessions. The further schedule for learning was community engagement, group interactions and face-to-face session and workshops. But unfortunately, the COVID-19 hit the country and we faced too many challenges. The biggest challenge for us to adjust ourselves to this new learning style, that is online. The second biggest challenge was we couldn't go to community due to this COVID-19. Every group assigned with a mentor who are already trained on the subject of gender equality. We learned different leadership skills, technical skills, communication skills and community engagement through the leadership program.
Gender equality was not actually a subject that can be taught. It was totally a behavioral change. We started our journey by imparting the concept of gender equality. For them it was very new. The words were very much, they never heard the words equality, equity, diversity. Nurturing young kids was not so easy. We took the parents on board because I believe that nurturing starts from home. So we started by doing the focus group discussion where we talk about their likes and dislikes, and they revealed that yes, the boys like to play with the kitchen set and the girls wanted to do the weightlifting. We used different strategy that we were learned in leadership program. Students with their parents made different posters, they made small mottos, they even recorded videos where they expressed themselves about gender equality. In future, we'll be using Wo Kahani booklets where we'll be enhancing more on this concept.
Since the research has showed that there are a lot of books that have been given to children in the school and they do not portray the roles that are actually gender equitable. So in the long run, what our team aims to achieve is that all the content that we have provided in this book should give them a sense of how gender equality is practiced and how gender transformative approach is actually practical in their life. So once the schools reopen in Pakistan, we will be involving our leaders and young people who have joined the program so they can implement those books and share their learnings with the children, so they can also develop the best practices that we aim to achieve.